Hello, good morning, dear my students. All students preparing for the civil service examination right now. Today we are going to the topic start the Hindu newspaper. Some students does not understand the Hindu newspaper, what to study and what to not study in the right now, and how to read the Hindu newspaper. What should you need in the Hindu newspaper? Let me finish first topics, the Hindu newspaper. Each students, you are preparing for the civil service. First, the Hindu newspaper, read properly an editorial, international relations and national. That news is very important in your life and success for the civil service examination. But you decide the topic means and control the Hindu newspapers. 95% role in the current affair, civil service examination, PT, mains, interview. Therefore, your responsibility seriously read the Hindu newspaper. First topic, be expect national plan from center on oxygen drug Supreme Court. This line said that right now need for oxygen in India due to COVID pandemic, it is a very increase in the around of surrounding due to each state's need for oxygen, but some states is provide oxygens and produce. Then after all states need for oxygen right now due to pandemic. Second wave is the very dangerous disease and grow the country. So each students or each citizens responsibility, without need for work you can't go to outside. And central cracks down on cube to oxygen movement, but district magistrates and superintendents SSP to ensure free passage for vehicles and provide this oxygen each districts. Oxygen trains set up the Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. You know it. Right now increase the COVID-19. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Delhi. It is the last stage grow in the coronavirus. Coronavirus is very dangerous disease and New, new cases grow in the 3.32 lakh and deaths more than 2,247. In the right now, India informations related to the COVID-19 pandemic. New cases increase and death rate is increase. Every citizen's responsibility. Without work, you can't go to outside. Next, dear students, Sisodia 6 centers help to capital check. Arvind Kejriwal called now on counterpart of the other states for united fight against to pandemic. Due to pandemic, it is a very dangerous disease and every people's depending on the supply oxygen. National Capital Region for NCR Tuesday. COVID-19 patients are very problems due to oxygen in Delhi. "300 flyers escape COVID-19 test at Assam airport." Officials said that they cleared and tested by the nearby hospital and left search on this trace them. Assam state and test fly skip the COVID testing. A special corridor of oxygen supply to Delhi High Court District Center. Will you know that this country is weak run by God, say bench. Supreme High Court said that on the Tuesday district, the center of the immediately create a special of this corridor for the safety passage of the oxygen tank from the neighborhood by a state of this Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and the capital. Based of ability, Senior Advisory Rahul Mehra responsibility to the Delhi government said that since their COVID-19 for flood speak in the COVID-19 case of the capital, in case the center could not be considered this agreement, 80% of the bed is the AIIMS. City News join hands to defect virus deafening state borders. FL Kejriwal said that with long lockdown beginning, ulti side of the roadmap, medical infrastructure. Infrastructure, this CM Arvind Kejriwal said that lockdown is the increase by timing the collective crisis. The Chief Minister state to come together comfort of the draft COVID-19 in set by a state lockdown divided into responsibility the pandemic. Addressing the digital behalfing the Chief Minister process by this private resources the oxygen essential provide the government and private hospital. I want to accuse you that will be share of the my responsibility under the state and when these are position of this shared is a state's responsibility this if you have not oxygens available then after it's a state responsibility share the this oxygens and each citizen's life is important. Six hospitals ran out of the oxygen. Uttar Pradesh and Haryana governments trying to the foreign oxygen Sisodia. This news is related to the pandemic. Dear students, right now increase the COVID-19 and control the central government, state governments. So related to the most of the news, right now going to this topic, coronavirus related to the India and world. So Delhi police on their feet to keep the capital breathing. Dear students, we are going to the South News. Kerala Salam Center on the vaccine shortage. Kerala, capital of the Telangana questions bail of the president's policy of vaccinations. No stockage of oxygen, say the AP minister. This news is South India and Kerala. Telangana fatalities rise in the second wave. Karnataka total 123. Kerala tally up by 26,995 cases. AP added over the 10,700 cases. North to east related to the importance news. Haryana swept to short after CM 6 p.m. from the today's Chief Minister. Arrangement is the place of the United Oxygen Supply. Lalji Tandon. Lalji Tandon said that Ahmed Isur is the COVID-19 cases. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar on the Tuesday day said accused arrangements have been made in the state of ensured union territory supply oxygen, medicine and the faculties. Mr. Lal said that government has decided to stop across the state dealing in the non-essential item from 6 p.m. from the April 23 onward. Responsibility to question regarding the shortage of the oxygen supply for Mr. Lal said that thought difficulty regarding the same way reported on the but how no problem has no responsibility. I have even led to dental bad decisions with PM Modi on his issued A roster has been made by the from the filling of the oxygen cylinder due to the loading these in the truck from the Panipat oxygen plant. Panipat oxygen plant from the now on the truck will be the loaded to Haryana and one of the each of the Delhi and Punjab, he said. This paragraph said that Manohar Lal Khattar said that Panipat company is the provide the oxygen and truck the loaded in the Haryana start for the each of Delhi and Punjab, said that the chief minister said 170 MT2 oxygen was supplied to the Delhi from the 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. on the Tuesday, April 22 from the Panipat plant. CM Arvind Kejriwal had expressed the satisfaction of the supply oxygen, said Mr. Lal. Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar said that he added to the Panipat plant has capacity from producing by the 260 MT of oxygen per day, of which 140 is the supplied by Delhi, 80 to Haryana and 220 Punjab, and said that Haryana also supplied 20 MT oxygen from the Bhiwadi plant of the Rajasthan. Manohar Lal Khattar said that Panipat plant was the increase the produce the oxygen 260 MT per day, but you have a need the 140 supply by the Delhi and 80% 20% supply in the Punjab. On the current status of the availability of the bed of this situation, the COVID-19 percentage of the hospital, the chief minister said that the faculty of the availability of the bed made by online Gurgaon and the Faridabad district. Mr. Lal said that 1,000 from this very injection will be supplied government hospital will April 21 and the supply on the further crisis. This paragraph said that arrangement the places of the oxygen supply the Manohar Lal Khattar said that this per day Panipat plants the produce the 260 MT produce the oxygen, but 80% I give this Delhi and 20% give this Punjab oxygen. Dear students, all is civil service preparing for this examination, and today editorial the topic the analysis the secured allegedly of the Chief Justice of the India as the Supreme Court turned by the page on the to ensure the outgoing CGI to need to the reclaim its role the judicial weekend. So dear my students, this editorial is very important related to this UPSC mains paper 2 and optional paper in each some students a political science optional paper related to this importance paper 1. The Supreme Court of India, it is the last 5 years during this tenure of the last 4 Chief Justice of the India CGI. Chief Justice of India has been the unprecedented fall the wing independent customer to the justice to becoming the instrumentals by the government. After the nature of the former Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, former Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi said that oversaw the Ayodhya said Raj fall the victims before relating to the join of the Raj Sabha. We who were versed the behind us. We hoped by this his successor by the Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde would left the court of the Hedge a wish and at last restored this independence of the executive, but the nearby the month of the ensure his expected depend balances every aspect by the dispensation of justice from the administration of this Gagoi. Election of the cases by the branches of the presidency over the matter of the related to the protection of the civil liberty, ensuring the right of the livelihood of these poor and migrants, or the ensuring that under constitutional action of the police of the executive and keep checks. Ranjan Gogoi said that any types of the executives, presidency and this liberty, civil, poor and migrants, marginalized and protects this said that Ranjan Gogoi after this Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde Ranjan Gogoi said that next topics months. Dear students, Ranjan Gogoi said that what to say in the Ranjan Gogoi months in this his tenure began to November 2019. Within the many important cases by the before him, there are the over 100 patent by challenge the delegation by the Article 370 and the recognition of the state Jammu and Kashmir into Union Territory of the soon after the assumed office of the Citizenship Amendment Act was the passed, which is the lead by another the state by petitions for the challenging the constituency of the CAA, spent by the wide period by protection we within by police construction of this Jamia University campus on the entry by gang of the into Jawaharlal Nehru University be wit of students and teachers and they fulfill the gaze of the police. Thereafter that the city of Delhi witnessed by engineering by the notice the subsequent by hundreding of the young students another the activity of the gaze of university in Vivationally by the Delhi police, there are where the so other import case by pandemic feature by Supreme Court. Supreme Court including the validity of these electoral bonds than the protective of the Rohingya refugee train earlier the 2020 COVID-19 took the country and with the begin the lockdown the Supreme Court the thereafter the out of the then the entry country which is the lead large oxide of the migrant labor from the large city in India. Dear students, Ranjan Gogoi said that 2019 related to the November in the increase the COVID-19 and 100 patents. The challenges for articles, challenging for cases, Mr. Ranjan Gogoi. Ranjan Gogoi the declared the Article 377 in the 5 August 2019 reduced in the Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution on said that this Ranjan Gogoi and Article the Citizenship Amendment CAA and in amendments are improved this amendment the Indian Constitution and Jamia University, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru University and related to the some students and some teachers increase the violence and Delhi police control this situation and how can challenge the COVID-19 2020 related to the overlook the country the begin the lockdown. The Supreme Court in thereafter increase the country which is the very largest exceeded by the permanence of the large city in the India. This line said the Ranjan Gogoi. Next paragraph. The powerful constitutional court by the like the Supreme Court of India must rise this challenge and it is the such by challenge time that the metal of the independent it is the tested. It is that is the role of the Chief Justice of India. He is not a mistake of the restore of dedication of the poverty. Accordingly, this is the hiring of the cases. Therefore, all election by the branches of the sitting the turn of the court by the leadership of the become city critically. This paragraph said that the powerful on the Supreme Court of India. Any types of challenging the accepted the Supreme Court and independent. That after Justice of India, Master of the roster dedicated the poverty according to this Chief Justice. Chief Justice said that any types of the justice the court for leadership citizens. Next paragraph explain dear my students what to say in the Ranjan Gogoi in this paragraph. The case challenge of the criteria why challenge on this status by this Jammu and Kashmir related to this Citizenship Amendment Act. Ranjan Gogoi said that challenge of the election by bound on this other challenge Jammu Kashmir which has a fundamental bearing by this democracy application from this the stay by bound of this issue for this every elections. Dismissed on this ground by this bound of this around the several years. Therefore, this main patent by the regarding this status protection on the according to the Ranjan Gogoi said that जी जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। Dear my students, next news the important for the national or international. Today news the international. US will cut emission by 52% and 2030. Biden tells world leaders that there is the extraordinary job certain in the climate response. Climate response, it is a very important. This each country Modi announced climate by partnership with US, India and America partnership the climate resources. The India taken many bold steps to step the help. Next, Australia and China deal by on national interested ground. This news is very important. This news is very important. International news related to the climate change. UPSC paper 3. Chinese Defense Minister Wei Fenghe to visit Sri Lanka. Israel strictly Syria after attack near nuclear site. Russia ordered to drop back after massive drill near Ukraine. Putin offers to meet Zelensky in Moscow anytime. This news is in. Thank you.